Pending final should be something that a fleet manager reviews to make sure that all the paperwork has been returned and properly processed before the load is passed on for billing. In the current system, the way it was working, you had to literally go back into the load and change the status. This is going to allow everything to be managed and updated from the Fleet Management Console with views that clearly state what's standing out there for a pending final status, allow you to work them quicker. It's an efficiency gain. It's indicating that the load is completed and it's pending filing the load to make sure that all documentation has been turned in. And once you've validated that, it's to prevent billing errors down the road. 2 weeks down the road, billing comes back and says, hey, I'm missing these documents on this load. And it just adds more cost to the operation if you're constantly going back and then people don't remember what occurred, where was my paperwork. This gives you that checkpoint at the end of the trip to make sure that I've done this. You get the sign off by the fleet manager, states it, or your driver manager, whoever is doing this in your organization, states that all documentation is turned in, it's ready for billing. Then I complete that load. Well, instead of trying to go find all your loads that are in a pending final status on the load screen, you can now do it with an instant view and be able to see them all and manage them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just go down the load, validate, and close it out quickly, which gives you more time back in your day, and the fleet manager's not going into the load where they should not be anyway to manage status updates. This is actually going to also allow for flows to be generated. So if you have cases out there where you may not want the status to happen based on customers, you can build flows to automatically do that update for you. So because it's in both places now, it's going to be easier to work with and tailor to your business.